welcome to the Better Mold Flip It Challenge. We are coming to fabricate the famous Macintosh plastic bottles Christmas tree. And here we need our Better Mold bottles that are already perforated. To have your perforations done, you need a soldering iron, you need electricity, and you need your Better Mold bottle. So this is how we are going to go about the perforation. So you have your soldering iron already connected to a light source. You insert the soldering iron at the base of your Better Mold bottle from the tip to enter to the very end. You take it out, you tilt the bottle, and then you do the same thing for the top to ensure that it is well perforated. At the end of perforation, this is what you are supposed to have. So you do this way ahead of your Christmas tree fabrication, and you need to get a welder to have the frame fabricated for you. Over here, the welder needs to use the Better Mold bottle to measure the width or the size of the rim in order to create the rims for the bottles. We are going to start with our fabrication. You also need a rope to measure the entire tree from the base to the top. You're going to insert the rope from the base of your Better Mold bottle. You open up the top of the bottle, bring out the rope, insert it from the base of the lid and bring it out and close it up. You pull it to the very end and then just leave some meters of the rope along the end. You're going to knot. So after knotting once, you need to go over 2-3 times by doing a second and a third knot in order to keep the rope very firm. So with what we have done, you're going to pull it to the very base, and then you wrap the rope around the next rim of the tree. You go over twice, 1, 2. And when you do this, you get your next Better Mold bottle, and then you go through the same procedure as you did with the first Better Mold bottle. Please ensure that your rope is very firm. You pull it so that the bottle will be very firm in place. Same procedure is repeated. You take your next Better Mold bottle. Repeat the same process over and over again. And again, just as I said earlier, you need to pull the rope for it to be very firm or to keep the bottle in shape. Process is repeated over and over and over and over and over again. You keep doing this until you get to the very end or the tip of the tree. based on the part of the bottle or the frame at which you start fabricating or keeping the ropes, you definitely have a starting and finishing point. So at one point when you notice that you have gotten to a place where you can't add any other bottle, you end it right there, and then you just go over the rim about 3 to 4 times just to keep the bottles very firm, and then you can tie a knot. Brings us to the end of this education on how to fabricate the famous Macintosh plastic bottles Christmas tree. So yes, get your squad, do all the necessary things you need to do, and then come up with this beautiful Macintosh plastic bottles Christmas tree. The hashtag is I am on the better side, hashtag flip it. So let's see you in this challenge. Good luck. Bye.